The Insta360 Ace Pro series has officially moved from being the new kid on the block to the benchmark that everyone else is trying to hit. We are currently seeing a massive shift where action cameras aren't just for surfers and skaters anymore. They've become legitimate cinema tools. The Ace Pro 3 is the most anticipated piece of gear right now, with rumors pointing to a massive 1-inch sensor, the kind of glass you usually find in high-end compact cameras, not something you'd strap to a helmet. This series has basically told the world that you don't have to choose between a tough camera and a good camera. You can finally have both. The real secret sauce of the Ace Pro line has always been the sensor. While most action cams use a smaller chip that struggles the second you walk indoors, the Ace Pro 2 and the upcoming Pro 3 use a 1/1.3-inch or larger 8K sensor. To put that in simple terms, it's like upgrading from a small window to a massive sliding glass door. Way more light gets in. Because they've partnered with Leica, the lens itself is world-class. It's not just about capturing a video, it's about the texture of the video. You get skin tones that look natural and landscapes that have depth, rather than the flat, digital look we've lived with for a decade. For a long time, taking an action camera out at night was a waste of time. It would just produce a grainy, blurry mess. But Insta360 introduced something called Pure Video, and in the 2026 models, this has been supercharged by a dual AI chip. This chip works like a tiny brain inside the camera that cleans the image as you record it. It identifies the noise and grain and scrubs it away while keeping the details sharp. This is why you see so many creators using it for city vlogs or late-night street photography. It's the first action camera that doesn't feel blind in the dark. One of the most loved features of this camera is the 2.5-inch flip touchscreen. It sounds like a small detail, but it changed the way people film. Most action cameras have a tiny screen on the front that's hard to see, but the Ace Pro's screen flips all the way up. This makes it incredibly easy to frame yourself for a vlog or to get a low-angle shot without having to lay on the ground to see what you're doing. The 2026 builds have made this hinge even tougher, and the screen itself is now bright enough to see clearly even under the harsh midday sun. Plus, they've added a removable lens guard, which is a lifesaver if you accidentally scratch the glass during an adventure. We've finally reached the point where 8K isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's actually useful. Recording in 8K at 30 frames per second means you have so much detail that you can zoom in on your video during editing without it looking blurry. The camera also features an AI highlights assistant, which is a total time saver. Instead of you spending hours looking through 60 minutes of footage to find that one 5-second clip where you actually landed a jump, the camera's AI does it for you. It flags the best moments so that when you connect it to your phone, your edit is practically halfway done. No one wants to watch shaky footage that makes them feel seasick. The Ace Pro series uses flow state stabilization, which has become so good in 2026 that you honestly don't need a gimbal anymore. You can run, jump, or even flip the camera 360 degrees, and the horizon stays perfectly level. It's like the camera is floating on an invisible cloud. They've also improved the clarity zoom, which lets you zoom in 2 times just by double-tapping the screen. And remarkably, it doesn't lose quality like a standard digital zoom does. It's these little smart touches that make it feel more like a futuristic gadget than just a rugged box. Lastly, we have to talk about the boring stuff that actually matters in the field: battery and charging. The latest Ace Pro models can hit an 80% charge in about 18 to 22 minutes. That is unheard of in this industry, It means you can charge it up while you're grabbing a coffee between locations. The batteries are also built to handle extreme cold, so if you're skiing in -20 degrees Celsius, the camera isn't going to die on you in 5 minutes. It's waterproof down to nearly 40 feet without a case, which covers basically everything except deep-sea diving. Reliability is what separates a toy from a tool. The Ace Pro series utilizes a fast-charging protocol that is still the fastest in the industry in 2026. Getting from 0% to 80% in 22 minutes means that a quick coffee break is all you need to get back to full power. The 1,800 mAh battery in the newer models is also built with a cold weather chemistry, allowing it to record for over 100 minutes even in freezing temperatures that would cause a standard lithium-ion battery to clog and die. Furthermore, the active HDR video mode is now native up to 4K 60 frames per second. Unlike older HDR methods that caused ghosting or halos around moving objects, this new system captures 2 exposures for every single frame and blends them instantly. This results in footage that has incredible detail in the clouds and the shadows, even during a high-speed chase. One of the coolest deep dive features often overlooked is the stats dashboard. Because the camera doesn't have its own GPS to save battery and reduce size, it connects wirelessly to your Garmin watch or Apple Watch. It pulls your speed, elevation, heart rate, and GPS path and overlays them directly onto your video. For cyclists and mountain bikers, this adds a layer of data-driven storytelling that makes the footage feel like a professional broadcast. The buzz around the potential launch of the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is growing as 2026 kicks off. While the company recently released the Ace Pro 2, new rumors suggest a successor could arrive as early as the first half of this year. Tech enthusiasts are expecting a major leap in quality, with whispers of a larger 1-inch sensor co-engineered with Leica. This change would likely make a huge difference for anyone filming in low light or looking for that professional cinema look in a small package. Beyond the sensor, the new model is expected to push 8K video even further and offer smoother slow motion at 4K resolution. There is also a lot of talk about upgraded AI features that could help with everything from noise reduction to automatic editing, making it much easier for creators to get their videos ready for social media. If these leaks are true, the camera might come with a more premium price tag, possibly ranging between $549 and $599. While we are still waiting for an official announcement, it seems clear that this new camera is aiming to be a top choice for vloggers and adventure seekers who want the best possible image quality without carrying around bulky equipment.